Hello and welcome to Geography. I'm Mr. Hutchinson, Head of Geography. Now, one of the most important things is probably what topics you're going to be studying. The great thing in geography is we have physical topics and we have human topics. So in Year 12, we look at coastal landscapes, we look at changing places, water and carbon cycles, and we look at contemporary urban environments. In Year 13, we just have two modules and we look at global systems and governance and natural hazards. So I think there's a good mix there between the physical and the human geography.
What is the NEA?
NEA stands for the Non-Examined Assessment. It involves conducting and writing a piece of fieldwork by yourself. It makes up 20% of your assessed grade at the end of geography. We conduct several field trips throughout the year where we give you experience of different types of fieldwork and also different skills that you can use to collect data. You then choose what you would like to focus on as part of your fieldwork and write up your own investigation. It's a really good opportunity to practice fieldwork skills and kind of the write-up skills that people go on to use at university.
Are there any field trips?
Fieldwork is a really vital skill in the Geography A-level. It allows us to apply what we've learnt in the geographical concepts as well as to carry out investigations. We carry out several days worth of fieldwork in the Geography A-level. So for example, we go to Reading and we do a transect across the town looking at microclimates. We go to Oxford and investigate topics linked to our changing places and contemporary urban environments units. And we go to the coast at Milford-on-Sea to investigate coastal processes and coastal environments. All of these field trips allow us to practice our human and physical fieldwork skills so that students feel prepared for their independent NEA project.
Does geography link well with any other subjects?
Geography links well to a number of different subjects at A-level, and that is what makes it such a beautiful subject to study. So we have close links with economics, sociology, history, maths and science. So for instance, with maths we need to be good at statistical analysis in relation to when we look at units such as water and carbon cycles and coasts, that links to the sciences. When we look at topics like changing places, that is linked closely to sociology and history. And then we look at global systems and governments, which is linked to economics. So again, just to reiterate, that is the beauty of geography, is it does link to other subjects.
So where will geography take you? Well, geography sits really well with the science A-levels, for example, maths, physics, chemistry and biology. It also sits really well with the traditionally art subjects such as English, sociology and history. It certainly won't close any doors for you. Looking down the road a little bit, after A-levels, roughly 8 out of 10 students who did geography at A-level went on to university, and about 2 out of 10 went on to do apprenticeships or didn't go to university at all. So as a total number, 18% of students who do geography at A-level went on to do geography at university. The apprenticeship route holds lots of opportunities open for you, and many of them are directly linked to geography. I've listed some here: marine pilot, cabin crew, agriculture, etc, and there's a really good link at the bottom of the screen that you're welcome to investigate. Alternatively, you may wish to study geography at university. It's a really relevant course, and I'd argue it's one of the most relevant courses you could possibly choose. It'll make you highly employable, a well-informed citizen, and you will earn on average more than other subjects. So let's look at some careers that an A-level in geography can lead on to. All of these people describe themselves as geographers. They've got a geography background, be it a degree or an apprenticeship. For example, Professor Christopher Jackson at the bottom of the screen, he will be fronting the Royal Institution Christmas Lectures in 2020. He's an expert in basin analysis and he's really interested in geology and tectonics. But as you can see from the other people on the screen, all of them are geographers, but they really are diverse in the jobs that they do. The unique skill set that A-level geography, university geography and apprenticeship geography or related will equip you with will really open the doors and give you lots of opportunities to pick for a rewarding career. Please do come and speak to somebody in the geography department if you'd like to know more about where geography can lead you. You're certainly not closing doors, and I'd argue you're opening more.